I do my 5-minute pancake from scratch. The ingredient is all up to you. What you need is shell rising flour, and the other ingredient is up to you. You blend them with milk or water, is also up to you. I didn't add eggs to it. Medium heat, pan fry both sides golden, you're good. Only take me 5 minutes to do that. Even I'm going to have another couple minutes to add a green drink into my breakfast. Any ingredient, vegetable, fruit you can get from your refrigerator, chop them up, and you can add any liquid, even pure water, or you can add some yogurt or something to it. Blend them and you have another green drink. There you have it. Under 5 minutes you have your healthy breakfast. Enjoy.